What's up YouTube, it's the Gizmo Pro here. Welcome back. Just when it seemed like OnePlus might not venture into smartwatches again, here comes the OnePlus Watch 2. I've got the lowdown on a smartwatch that's about to turn heads with its innovative features. Enter the OnePlus Watch 2, a true game changer in the world of wearables. But that's only half the story. Stick around until the end as I'll dive into the intriguing details. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the bell notification icon to get all my latest videos. Now, we all know what smartwatches can do, right? They come with a set of standard features that we've come to expect. But the OnePlus Watch 2 is here to shake things up. Priced at $299, this sleek circular smartwatch builds upon its predecessor, offering a host of impressive upgrades. Let's start with the design. The OnePlus Watch 2 doesn't exactly turn heads. It's rather plain and lacks that wow factor OnePlus may hope for. With a stainless steel construction, it comes in black and natural stainless steel shades. Sporting a robust rubber strap by default, it's comfortable and easily customizable with 22mm lugs. But here's the catch. It's big, bulky, and only available in a single size, a 47mm dial. While it suits larger wrists, it might feel like oversized clothing on more dainty ones. Despite its unassuming appearance, the watch meets IP68 and 58M standards, making it water resistant, dust resistant, and it adheres to the US military's MIL STD 810H standard for ruggedness. The 1.43-inch AMOLED display, protected by a 2.5D sapphire crystal glass, boasts a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels and a peak brightness reaching up to 1000 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. However, it's prone to smudges and features thick bezels. Flip it over and you'll find all the standard features, including charging pins and sensors like the optical heart rate sensor and pulse oximeter. The two buttons on the right edge of the watch provide quick access to various functions, including app menus, workouts, Google Wallet, and the Google Assistant. While the rotating crown button may seem unnecessary, it adds to the watch's durability upon impact. The built-in mic and speaker deliver satisfactory performance for voice commands and notifications. Now for performance and battery. Let's talk about the watch's thickness. Attributed to its dual chip solution, a Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 performance chipset for running WearOS smoothly, and a BES 2700 efficiency chip for background tasks and minimal power consumption. Performance-wise, the OnePlus Watch 2 offers smooth and snappy operation, making navigation effortless. It also excels in exercise tracking, offering over 100 sports tracking modes and precise location tracking with its dual frequency GPS. Paired with a 500 mAh battery, this setup ensures exceptional battery life and is where the OnePlus Watch 2 truly shines. In smart mode, it promises up to 100 hours, though in my testing, it exceeded expectations. With power-saving options like always-on display and custom watch faces, you can stretch it further. Despite its impressive battery life, performance remains smooth and responsive thanks to the Snapdragon W5 quad-core chip, outperforming some competitors. During testing, the OnePlus Watch 2 lived up to its claims, outlasting even the $800 Apple Watch Ultra. And if you really want to maximize battery life, you can switch to power save mode, extending it up to 12 days. Moving on to features, the OnePlus Watch 2 offers a familiar WearOS experience. Customizable buttons, app navigation, and access to the Play Store are highlights. Running on Google's WearOS operating system, the OnePlus Watch 2 offers compatibility with a wide range of apps and includes Google services integrated, providing a more versatile experience compared to OnePlus's previous smartwatch. Navigation through the WearOS interface is smooth, with customizable settings and widgets for added convenience. While lacking an LTE option, it supports Bluetooth calling. Health tracking shines with accurate metrics like SpO2, heart rate, and step count. Dual band GPS ensures precise location tracking, while sleep tracking provides detailed insights. Pairing the OnePlus Watch 2 with your smartphone requires downloading the OnePlus Health app, which facilitates easy access to device settings, watch faces, health metrics, and more. However, the gamified approach to fitness metrics may not suit everyone. While competitors like Samsung, Google, and Apple typically offer 1 to 2 days of usage on a single charge, the OnePlus Watch 2 can last for multiple days. However, there are some trade-offs you'll need to consider. Now for the drawbacks. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some drawbacks, like delays in checking notifications and subpar haptics. There are also some concerns regarding the accuracy of heart rate and sleep tracking, which may require adjustments to achieve optimal results. Additionally, the large size of the watch may impact comfort during workouts and sleep. Despite these drawbacks, the OnePlus Watch 2 is well suited for those seeking a large watch with extended battery life, particularly for tracking workouts and activity. This is especially true for outdoor runners, thanks to its rare dual-frequency GPS feature at this price point. The OnePlus Watch 2 offers a unique blend of features and performance that's hard to beat in the world of smartwatches. So what's the verdict? Priced at $299, the OnePlus Watch 2 offers excellent value with its stellar battery life, performance, a sleek design, and fitness tracking capabilities. Despite its size and some missing features like LTE, it competes well with higher priced alternatives. However, it falls short in some areas compared to competitors, particularly in terms of health tracking features. Looking ahead, OnePlus could consider offering a smaller variant, refining the design and adding functional elements like a rotating crown. Overall, the OnePlus Watch 2 is a compelling choice for Android users seeking extended battery life without compromising on features. The OnePlus Watch 2 is definitely worth considering, but be aware of its limitations. But what do you think about the OnePlus Watch 2? Would you choose it as an alternative to the offerings from Samsung and Apple? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, thanks for continuing to support my channel, and stay tuned for our in-depth hands-on comparisons. See you next time. Peace.